Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome. If you are not subscribed as yet, please subscribe right now. And I'm up to 28 subscribers. It's not a lot, but I'm excited because that's great. That's awesome. That's good. I like that. I can see I'm getting the support. The views are going up. And I'm back again with another video. This time is not a try not to laugh. This time it is a try not to sing or rap. Now this is going to be very hard for me because one, I love music. Like for everybody that who knows me, I am always dancing or doing something that relates to music. So this is going to be hard. This is going to be the hardest challenge. I know for a fact I'm gonna lose. I have no confidence in myself whatsoever. So without any further ado, let's get this thing started right now, right here. Rules: can't sing, can't dance, can't lip sync. Oh my gosh. Gonna start with this song, jeez.
I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey.
Hey little mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine. Why you so my nigga, cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga to get free. I just hit Rodeo and I spent like 10 G's. I just did a show and spent the check on my
alright, that was not, oh gosh. Oh, not this song. Oh gosh, man, they made so many memes from this song. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you know that when a crackhead needs coke, that's how I am right now. Oh my gosh.
Ever since I left the city, you last night took a hell, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks. Knew that I bounce back.
No, this is too hard. This is too hard.
Took a hell, but tonight I bounce back. Boy, I've been broke as hell, catch the check and bounce back. D-time LAX, every week I bounce back. If you a real one, then you know how to. A whole lot of new money though.
Oh god, no. Get it.
Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
I know.
I don't try nobody, grip the trigger nobody. All of the gang, they come and get gang. Call me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Crap, I lost.
Am I out of my head? Am I out of my mind? If you
that song, man?
things I like, don't think that I can explain.
Alright, start over. Let's start over.
It's
Try
complicated.
again.
No matter what you say, don't matter what you do.
Like, I don't know this
I
song.
only wanna do bad things to you, so good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Oh my god! Oh my god, no!
I got broads in Atlanta. She's took the lean, the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, found them. Wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana. Money killers on their hands. Legacies, found them. Wait and see, panda. Pockets full, Danny. Selling ball, candy. Been out the mountain.
Oh god, there's no way.
You need
There's no
to
way.
stay up out the streets if you can't take the heat. Cause it get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Need to stay up out the streets if you can't take the heat. You need to stay up out the streets if you can't take the heat. Cause it get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. It get cold like Minnesota. Need to stay.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your.
Oh my god, I already lost. Forget it. I'm just gonna enjoy myself right now. We ain't never getting old.
That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old keys. Quick release the
Mannequin
cash,
Challenge,
watch it
yo.
flow slowly.
Mannequin Challenge made this song big, yo.
Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the
I lost. I couldn't make it to the 4th video. Well, if you made it through, comment below, let me know. Alright, please remember to like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed as yet, please do so right now. That's the button that's underneath this video. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I will see you again with another Try Not To challenge. If you're not following me on social media, follow me on Instagram at I am Joel Jones. Again, peace, one love, and I'll see you at another video. Peace!